my peeps, I'm gonna give you guys an update. I started 2 days ago. So yesterday I went ahead and did 5 more. So I have total 10 already good to go. And I double coated them so they could last. All my little material. Already scraped off all the splinters so it won't tear my sanding paper and it won't mess up the sander. So there's all the concrete that I scraped off with the spatula. Let me just go deep and get everything, do everything. So I have to worry about my sander getting ruined and the sandpaper tearing up. Yeah. It's all on the floor. I use the weight to support it, to weigh it down so it won't move, it won't be sliding on me as I was scraping. Yeah. So I'm just gonna sand this real quick and then just paint them. And I still got all these pieces. So I got these pieces. I got this board here which is gonna be the foundation. But I put it against the sun, facing the sun, because it got a little bit wet because of the aquaponics system. It was kneading against the fence and some of the water that kind of splashes. So I'm just letting it dry it up real good before I sand it and paint. Let me show you the rest of the wood. So all these pieces, doing a quick sand, quick scrape and paint all of these pieces here. Yeah. So I got a lot of sanding to do still and painting.